Semi-floating rock fishing line is a high-quality fishing line specially designed for sea fishing. It is made of imported raw silk nylon material, with excellent wear resistance and anti-bite performance, suitable for various complex sea fishing environments. Its semi-floating water characteristics enable the fishing line to not only maintain a certain buoyancy in the water, but also accurately control the fishing group, which is especially suitable for a variety of fishing methods such as rock fishing, rod fishing, and lure fishing.